In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Waze as the default navigation app in your Android system settings. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile browser and sign in to your Google account dashboard. Make sure you're using the same Google account connected to the Android device you want to manage. This is important because if you're logged into a different account, you may not see the correct device settings or remote management options. Once you're signed in, look for the section that handles connected apps and devices. This area gives you access to services, device links, and management tools associated with your account. Take a moment here to confirm that the correct Android device appears in your account environment before moving on. From there, go into the Remote Device Manager options and select Android System Settings. This step opens the settings controls tied to your Android device, allowing you to adjust certain preferences without needing to manually browse through every menu on the phone itself. If the page takes a second to load, that's normal, especially if your device needs to sync with your account. After you're inside Android system settings, find and click on Default Apps. This section controls which apps your device automatically uses for common actions, such as browsing the web, opening messages, or launching navigation. Since we want your phone to always use Waze when navigation is needed, this is the exact place where that preference gets set. Next, select the Navigation category. This category determines which mapping or route guidance app your Android device will treat as the primary navigation tool. When the list of available apps appears, choose Waze. Selecting it here tells the system to prioritize Waze whenever navigation functions are triggered, helping create a more consistent experience across your device. Once Waze is selected, it will be locked in as your primary system mapper. That means supported navigation requests should now open in Waze by default instead of another map app. If you don't see Waze listed, double check that it's already installed on the Android device and updated to a current version. And that's it. With just a few settings changes, you can make Waze your default navigation app and streamline the way your Android device handles directions and route planning. If you're following along, take your time with each screen and verify each selection before moving on so the change saves correctly.